My video is about getting rid of the ransomware called Ttap. Ttap is the ransomware belonging to the DJVU ransomware family. Uh, my video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I found the sample of this ransomware on the VirusTotal database. The ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this Ttap extension to the file names. Before the ransomware attack, you're able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Ttap ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. So after restarting the computers, users suddenly realize that something bad has taken place with their files and that the files are no longer accessible. The ransomware encrypts the files, and it is called like that because it appends this Ttap extension to the file names, and so it is impossible to use the files anymore. The ransomware encrypts files and adds this Ttap extension. Removing the extension manually still does not fix the issue, and the files are still damaged and encrypted by this ransomware. Now, my recommendation is that you don't pay the ransom. The ransomware tells the victims to pay the ransom, but there is no guarantee that you would get your files restored if you pay that ransom. So, I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the application, and start researching your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in trial mode. Only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The software begins scanning, researching, and investigating the system. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. Based on the locations of these threats, some threats can be removed manually. I also want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt files. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt files. Consider premium license. You can request trial. And also in the description to this video, please find a special link which will give you more facts about this ransomware and will give you some recommendations on how to protect your files.